Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're not working on this car, we're not working on that car, we're not working on the yellow one, we're working on my Skyline. As you can see right there, we have a GTR spoiler. It looks like this, and it does have masking tape on it for one specific reason. I really like the idea of having carbon fiber. I think it's really cool. The only problem, my car is white, and I don't necessarily like the way that the carbon fiber looks. So my plan is to liquid wrap this with basically plastic dip, and it's just going to be solid white all the way around, and then it's just going to have carbon on the top. Will it look good or will it work? I'm not 100% sure, but I am excited to make it look more like a GTR, so that's going to be awesome. The plan is to pretty much paint it while it's hanging like this. That's the best idea that I could do. I hope it doesn't fall off. It's being held up by a shoestring, so that would suck if it fell. But pretty much paint all of the exposed carbon fiber. I know a lot of people are probably gonna hate me for that, but I am gonna keep this top carbon. So hopefully that looks cool. I did just mask everything up, tried to make it as perfect as possible. So again, hopefully it works. I am just not that confident because I've never done this before. And we're basically going to be using liquid wrap. It's vinyl wrap in a can, I guess. I don't know. It's similar to plastic dip, except it's Rust-Oleum. So I hope it's good. It's gloss white, which should match the car, hopefully. And if not, I've got more gloss of the same stuff that might make it shinier. I don't know. We're just going to try it, and we're going to see if it works out. This is the look I was going for. I wanted carbon on top, and then I wanted white everywhere else. So whenever you look at it from behind or the side, it all looks normal and like it belongs on the car. The carbon fiber all the way around didn't look good in my opinion, so I'm hoping that this makes it look a lot better. And it's not perfect. I have a few runs right here, and then as you can see, it's not a perfect straight line all through there, which sucks. The plastic dip that I was using, honestly, was not the best, so I don't recommend it. I ended up just doing about 2 to 3 layers of the liquid wrap, and then I sprayed just regular white on top of that. So hopefully I can still peel it in the future, but if not, I do want to get this actually spray painted white whenever I have the money to do so. I don't know how expensive it's going to be. It's pretty small, but I want to do a few other body mods before I get to the point of having to spray all of it. So this is just one of many things to come for the future. I also have rear spats ordered, but it's going to be about 2 months or so until they're here, and they're going to line up exactly with that guy. So it's going to look really, really good. This is my first time doing the toothpaste trick, and I think it works. Kind of cool. So there's a trick with your drill bit to keep it from going all the way inside of your trunk, which I technically don't have to worry about it. I just don't want to drill and smash into the trunk. But the trick is to get some like masking tape, just wrap it around the tip. Or if you have a little rubber hose that fits this, put the hose in there, and as soon as you go in, it'll kind of stop it. Kinda. I've done it once before, so I don't know if it still works, but we can try it. Now it's time to see if I drilled the holes correctly. I hope I did. If not, it just ruined a perfectly good Skyline trunk, which sucks. But hey, you live and you learn. Well, the holes are lined up, so I guess we did all right. maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the tape, put some 3M tape on the bottom of this, and then I gotta get washers for those guys in there. Yay, look, it's installed. I'm so happy. All I need now is a GTR badge for right there, which everybody's gonna hate, but that's okay. And then I need the GTR rear quarter panel. And then it'll be basically a baby GTR without an RB26. Again, this wasn't a perfect install or right way to do it, I guess, but it worked out in the end. So it's fully attached, all right there, and then all right there. Then I have 2 screws and 2 washers over there, and same thing on this side. I like that it has the factory hole location for it, so I could actually get to it without drilling into the whole trunk. I missed it. And then, like I said, I might do a GTR badge, which I'm sorry if you're gonna hate that. I just really like the way it looks. And I know I shouldn't do that because it's the same concept whenever you put an STI wing on WRX, but thankfully I own an STI and a WRX, and I really don't care, so I'm just gonna do it anyway at some point. It just looks that much better. Without it, I feel like the rear end is kind of empty, so I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's not perfect. There's a little bit of runs, and then the line isn't that straight, but I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit and see what I can do before I go and get it painted. This is more of just a test fit to see if I like the way that I did it. Oh, I'm also getting a little window spoiler here that'll look really good. So stay tuned for that. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below on what you wanna see next with the GTR/Skyline/GTST, because it's not a GTR, or what you wanna see with the Subaru. Maybe I can race the STI versus the WRX versus the Skyline over here. I don't know, we can do something. But again, that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later.